Hey guys, this is Sajidz and you watching Sajidz Take. So here in this video, I will talk with you about the VPN. Most of the cases we know about VPN to increase your internet connections and unblock some websites and videos in the YouTube. And here you need to install a app in your mobile phone to use this VPN from the third-party website or from the Google Play Store, or here you need to go to some website and from here you will enable your VPN. But here in this video, I will talk with you about the by default VPN in your mobile phone, by which you needn't to install any type of other third-party VPNs app or other things. So here how you can do it. To know about that, you need to watch this video from the first to the last. Before starting that, I have a request: if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, to do this here, first of all you need to go to in the settings in your mobile phone, and after that here you need to search out here something like VPN. If you don't get this VPN option, and if you don't get yet, that time you need to go to in this connection and the sharing, and from here you will get this VPN here. As I have already get out this VPN here, so I can enable my VPN from here. Now go to in this add VPN, and here you can add your VPN as you wish. So from here you need to add here a name as you wish. So here I just use my name as my US VPN, but here you have to remember that this USA VPN here, what I type here might have no space, that means empty space here. Now after that here you need to go to on this type, and here you need to select L2TP IPsec PSK. So here now you need to give the server address that you don't know, and here you need to find out this server address from here. Go to in this Google Chrome. So here you need to search here something like just free VPN, and here you will get 6 countries VPN server address with their username and the password. So from here you can use this. So from here I will connect with this USA VPN. So I will go to this usjustfreevpn.com. So copy out this from here, and now you need to paste out this server address here. And here it's okay. Now go to on this IPsec preset key, and here you need to type here the just free VPN, JUSTFREE VPN. And here in the username, here you need to give the username from here L2TP username, and the password from the L2TP password. The username is just free VPN and the password is 1429. So here from I will give the username as JUSTFREE VPN, and the password it will be 1429. Now okay it, and here you can see that the US VPN is created. Now on this VPN, after just connecting with the Wi-Fi or the mobile data connection, and it will be connected within some minute. That means it will take at least 1 to 2 minutes to get connected, and here guys you can see that it's already connected with me with my this USA VPN. Now you can guys use this VPN here. Now let's take out this with test. So from here guys we will go to in this what's my IP address. So from here you can see that this is my IP address as it is as my US IP address. So here guys, this is the thing that I want to share with you, by which now you can use VPN without using other third-party apps or website, and it's really legal and easiest and safe, secure for you. Now guys, it's your turn to use it in your mobile phone, whether it's working or not. Guys, if it works in your mobile phone, that time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends and so on. So we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.